Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got something really exciting for you. The latest release from EF150, the B3 rugged phone. This phone not only packs a punch when it comes to performance, but is also built to withstand some serious conditions. Let's dive into it, starting with the unboxing. When you open the box, you are greeted by the B3 itself, beautifully encased in protective packaging. Along with the phone, you get the usual accessories, a 30-watt fast charging brick, a USB-C cable, and a user manual. The box's sleek design really complements the rugged yet stylish feel of the phone itself. Now, the first thing you will notice about the EF150 B3 is its design. For a rugged phone, it's impressively thin and lightweight, something that's been a key focus for the brand. It comes in two colors, obsidian black and granite grey, both of which have a diamond pattern texture inspired by the flagship Raptor series. This gives the phone a nice grip and a premium feel while ensuring durability. Let's talk about one of the standout features of this phone, the battery. The B3 is equipped with a massive 10,800 mAh battery offering up to 53 days of standby time. That's right, 53 days. It's perfect for outdoor adventures, extended trips, or just daily use if you want a phone that won't let you down. Even with such a large battery, the phone supports 30-watt fast charging, meaning you can get from 0% to 100% in just 2 hours. Plus, the phones come with reverse charging capabilities, allowing you to use it as a power bank for other devices. Have you ever been stuck with a phone you couldn't unlock? Maybe it was a second-hand device, or you simply forgot your password, or perhaps you are switching phones and worried about losing all your WhatsApp chats and memories. Don't worry, I have got the perfect solution for you, Wondershare Doctor Phone. Let's start with one of its standout features, Screen Unlock. Locked out of your phone? Doctor Phone makes bypassing your lock screen simple and efficient. It works on both Android and iOS devices. Whether you have forgotten the passcodes, entered the wrong password too many times, or even if you have got a second-hand device, with just a few steps, you can regain access to your phone without the hassle. Another fantastic feature is WhatsApp Transfer. If you have ever switched phones, you know how stressful it can be to move all your WhatsApp conversations, photos, and files. Doctor Phone handles this seamlessly, transferring your data across Android and iOS devices without losing a single message. It's perfect for anyone upgrading to a new phone or merging accounts. The best part, Doctor Phone is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech-savvy to use it. Just download the Doctor Phone app from Google Play Store or App Store, follow the step-by-step instructions, and you are good to go. It's designed to make your life easier. So, why wait? If you want to unlock your phone, transfer WhatsApp data, or solve other mobile issues, click the link in the description or search Wondershare Doctor Phone online to get started today. It's a toolkit every smartphone user should have. Another cool feature of the B3 is the 1.1-inch subscreen on the back. This little display shows the key information like the time, notifications, and even a step counter. It's also equipped with gesture controls, so you can wave your hand to answer or reject calls. Moving on to the camera setup. This is where things get even more interesting. The EF150 B3 comes with a 100 megapixel main camera and 20 megapixel of night vision sensor. That's right, night vision. This is perfect for anyone who loves taking photos in low light conditions or just wants the flexibility of capturing high quality images in any setting. The all-mesh system enhances night photography and black and white shots, allowing you to experiment with different modes. The night vision features has a 20-meter range, making it perfect for exploring after dark or in poorly lit areas. The camera isn't just for photos either. You can record high-quality videos, and thanks to the rugged nature of the phone, you won't have to worry about damaging it in tough conditions. It's built to survive and show your content. And speaking of survival, the B3 is IP68, IP69K and STD 810H certified, which means it's resistant to water, dust and drops. You can submerge it in up to 6 meters of water for 24 hours and it can withstand drops from up to 1.5 meters. You can't even put it in sand and it will keep working without missing a beat. Whether you are hiking, at the beach or working in rough environments, the B3 has you covered. Now, let's take a look under the hood. The phone runs on MediaTek Helio G96 chipset, a high-end 4G processor that ensures smooth performance whether you are gaming, multitasking, or just browsing the web. With 8GB of RAM and an additional 12GB of virtual RAM, you will have up to 20GB of memory at your disposal. ensuring that the phone runs smoothly even with heavy apps. And it also comes with 256 GB of internal storage, which is also expandable via a TF card. One of the new features that EF 150 has incorporated into the B3 is the Dynamic Island, which brings essential alerts like charging notifications or incoming calls directly to the top of your screen. The software on the B3 is also noteworthy. It comes with Android 14, which brings new customization options and enhanced security features. You can personalize the system colors, lock screen, and have more transparency over your app data usage. Android 14 also includes improved prompts to secure your phone from unauthorized access, giving you peace of mind when it comes to your personal information. So, in summary, the EF 150 B3 is a rugged phone that doesn't compromise on style and performance. Whether you are an outdoor enthusiast, a traveler, or just someone who needs a tough phone for daily use, this device has a lot to offer. With its ultra-thin design, powerful battery, advanced camera features, and rugged durability, it's a phone built for those who push boundaries. If you are interested in learning more or want to grab one for yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the latest tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.